So, sorry about my hair. I literally just got out of the bathtub. But Jeremy was wanting to show his, or our new vehicle to y'all. So let's go outside and see. He's in it listening to music. It's a Jetta. Say hi.
I'm playing with the stereo. Don't look at me like that. That's number 2. That 2 is death metal.
Tell them about it.
We've got what you got here is you got a 6-disc CD changer with MP3 reader. You got some tweakers right here for your balance and your fade, and your audio boostings right there.
I don't know if they can hear the music.
Your audio boostings right there. Let's see, you got your nice little information system over here that you can't see. Let me show you this right here. Bam! Look at that. Whenever I'm driving down the road, I can just do all kinds of crazy stuff from right here. Check all my little stuff. We got some seat warmers. We got some nice little AC controls right here. We've got, the fantastic looking shifting column right there. Look at that direct shift gearbox right there. And it's got the best setting of all, which is Sport, which I will never ever use ever, because I will get in a lot of trouble.
But we've got the back seat, the car seat. It's got
and it's got a fancy smancy sunroof. Bam! Look at that. I can just reach my hand on out of there. Bam!
It's got a actual plug-in right there. He's gonna pull it down, but he doesn't know how to. There he goes. Right there. And there's where the diesel goes. It's turbo diesel. Well, good thing you can't see our tag. But yeah, this is the car. Say bye.
I'm gonna play with the radio.
But yeah, that's the vehicle. That's my truck over there. But there's the car. So I'm going to go upload this video for Beta Day 2, and we will see y'all guys tomorrow. Bye.